the prayer mo. So may I ask everyone to please stand up? Okay, ayan. So, mahal po kayo po. So, kompleto na ba kayo lahat, mga moms and sirs? Pwede ko pa-check kung nandiyan na ba yung mga katabi ng makakol? Kung present pa sila? Ako, mukhang may kulang dito sa kanang pati dito, ma'am. So, anyway, maaaring ba kayo na tayo lahat? So, present na lahat. At the count of three, 1, 2, 3. Hey! Lakasan natin! Hey! Nakukordihan ba kayo? Sorry! Nakukordihan ba kayo, sir? Sorry, pero ano na lang po mga moms and sirs, after 5 minutes, mag-roll call na lang tayo and then
yun po. Wala yan talaga namin. Kaya, try. Okay, as of yesterday on Wednesday, we learned about the difference between the country and the country. And for my understanding, as says here, understanding that sister domain is our application on the rights culture and heritage of indigenous people regarding the land.
Thank you, ma'am. Ngayon, yung NSIP is may dalawang klase, which is the country and country. So, ano yung school natin, yung saan na nakapagbilang kung nasa country po or country. And the next one is yung sa session 2 from provincial assessor. May volunteer po ba? Or mag-i-stream daw yung tayo eh? Imam Rachel. From Babuco. Ito, mas marami ang Babuco. Babuco 1 and Babuco 2. From Assessor's Office, Nakaso. Ayan, sister.
This is a reflection regarding what the provincial assessor said yesterday. I will just read. Tax declaration shows us how the state keeps track of possession and use, but they also remind us that paying dues to private property does not equate to ownership. True ownership must be recognized through law. But even then, it carries with it obligations to pay taxes, to use land wisely, and to respect boundaries. The qualification for land title emphasizes that the owners are for taking. Some are reserved for the forests, watersheds, or the indigenous peoples. Other remains part of the public domain. This draws us back to the biblical principle that the earth is the Lord's and everything.
Nakatapos na ba ng mga school natin lahat? Yes, sabi ko na. Paano naman daw hindi pa nakapangalan sa school yung tax debt natin? Naasya pa natin yung naka-tax debt yung school natin? Nakalihim sa school natin mas may debt? May yes and may no. Yun from the session 3 nakatuto. From Dar. Wala. Mag-isip tayo ulit. Yun. Diba? Ayan, alam ko na.
For the Department of Agrarian Reform or the DAR, ang hawakan ko is about public number 6667 about approval, which is certificate of plant ownership award. Pero hindi ako nakakarinig kasi walang ganun din kami sa tahanan. And this is applicable sa Paris, sa Daga, and then meron na award na lang sa Daga, and it's also the issuance of individual title to sweet project, and kama ko dito is pag natigay niya sa school or sa individual, there will be improved land in your security. Yan lang po.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
celebrating Teachers Month until October 5. And of course, Merry Christmas. It's Burns already. Nararamdaman na ba ang diwa ng Christmas? Do we feel the Christmas spirit? Hindi ba? Kasi, huwag kayo magalala, ilang months na lang, 30th month maybe. So, but starting from now, we have to feel diba, the Christmas spirit. Dapat may peace, may joy, and may love sa ating lahat. So, the title of my session is Securing the Future, School Site Typing and University Level. Bakit kaya, why securing the future? Do we secure the future with school sites? Yes. Yes, diba? Yes. Bakit? Why? Why? Any volunteer na mag-answer? We are securing the future through school site typing and ownership. Because with secured title or ownership documents of school, schools are safeguarded from disputes, from eviction, from repurposing of lands, no? And with that security, we ensure that stable and sustainable yung ating mga facilities. And with that, our learners will be able to enjoy the safe learning environment for quality education. Always boils down to our learners. That's why securing the future school site typing and university level yung title ng session mo natin. So, I'm supposed to be your first speaker sa atin para may konting background before we have our speakers from our partner agencies. It's just that ngayon lang yung availability natin. Nevertheless, I'm here and we continue. Anyways, before I start the session, sabi ni Ma'am Rachel kanina, our host and our MC, we have to know them kasi they are our technical assistants for school sites assigned here in Landen Mountain Province. And you are lucky. Why? Because it is only this time na pinondohan talaga ng DepEd ang pag-title ng ating mga school sites. It's only this year na nag-download ang central office ng millions of funds sa ating school division offices for the purposes of school sites typing. That's why we are conducting this activity and that's why we have our technical assistance with you guys. So pag nag-visit sila sa school ninyo, pag nanghihingi sila ng mga school size documents, I really hope for your 101% cooperation. So, may nakakaalam ba kung ano yung legal basis natin sa DepEd of why do we need to secure or ano ang authority na bibigyan sa mga school heads na i-process ang school size ownership documents? Anyone? Wala. I know this is the first ever capacity building on school heads with school size typing. Pero yung legal basis natin is way back 30 years ago is DepEd Order number 57, series of 1995. That's the main basis sa ating discussion today. Ano nga ba ang DepEd Order number 57, series of 1995? This is the school site acquisition and documentation for all public elementary and secondary schools. This DepEd order was released September 14, 1995. But 30 years old na yung ating DepEd order. The legal basis na school size typing. Why? Why was this issued? The importance of school site typing. Kasi way back, and 30 years after na-release nitong DepEd order, no, same issues pa rin. Many schools still face disputes over school site ownership, including squatting, claims for payment, and boundary issues. And so to protect schools and ensure proper planning, DepEd, na noong 1995 ay EXPA, emphasizes the urgent need to secure titles to all school sites. And this provides legal protection, sabi ko na kanina, against rebellion suits. Ano ba yung rebellion suits? These are recovery suits na parang binabawi yung mga years ng donors ng school site na nire-reclaim nila, gano'n. And eligibility for funding of school buildings, furniture, and facilities. No? Noon pa, hindi nagbababa sa central office ng budget for school buildings, school development funds, pag wala school site ownership ang school. And ito yung isang in-emphasize ng ating Vice Secretary ngayon na hindi po talaga nagbababa ng pondo ang central office for purposes of construction of educational facilities in your school sites pag wala po kayong title or ownership documents sa inyong mga school sites. And third is compliance with requirements for foreign assisted projects. Like JICA, same with eligibility for funding. Our partners, our international partners, they did not fund any construction or any improvement or any building for educational purposes pag wala mga school site titles or school site ownership documents. That's the importance of why do we need to secure your title. Any questions? Yung mga questions na. You just raise your hand if you have a reaction to yung mga questions mo. And then you just tell me if sa documents. What are the modes of acquiring school sites? Ano nga ba ang mga paraan para mapasa atin ang lupa at nakakalian ng mga paaralan mo? First is the donation of land. Through donation of land, anong document ang ibibigay sa school through donation of land? Your deed of donation. Yes. For deed of donation, it must be absolute or no conditions and accepted by the Deputy Secretary or his duly authorized representative and should be registered with the Register of Deeds or Register of Deeds. Donation of land. Emphasis on the absolute. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng absolute? No conditions. Walang conditions. Unfortunately, however, dito sa Mountain Province and most school division provinces may mga conditions ang mga deed of donation. Parang naging practice ng ating mga schools or ng mga school heads before na parang i-encourage na i-donate ang school site or land sa mga schools may conditions, di ba? Unang condition, parang indicate na may contract, may project, priority